Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. So, in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how I trade the SPY with call options off of the open. Now, in our Discord community, that's where a lot of the pre-market, I guess, work you would call it, where we figure out what levels look good. I post them all very early on in the morning, well before the market even opens. Everybody that has access to this private Discord has these levels and my detailed trade plan. But going in, if my bias is a certain way, like today, it was more, I feel like we're overextended. So my bias going in was bearish. Now, you have to be able to change with the price action and the levels. These really key levels, if they hold up, they're going to give you very nice scalp trades if you're somebody that trades options on the SPY. So I'm going to go over exactly what we were looking at, what I did, and what I posted here so that everybody in our community can see exactly the trades that I'm taking. With real money, this is no demo accounts that you see some of these YouTube channels. This is really my trades. This is really my work. And this is what we call out so that everyone can see. So 929. Off the open, I write, I'm long calls, okay? And then I told everybody when I sold my calls, which was at 9:37. This was a scalp trade. That's the way that I trade. And I trade them with, this trade plan that I post every morning. And what I was looking at going into today was we're elevated on the RSI. Okay. Everybody knows this. We're definitely extended, but we are in a very bullish market. I don't want to trade against that trend. It's just not good to trade against a bullish market. So going in, like I said, my bias was bearish. We were hitting 70 on the RSI, and I thought that I would most likely not be buying calls unless we get dip buying. Opening range breakouts may be stalled for now until buyers get better prices. Okay? It's all about supply and demand. So now let's take a look at what happened. Now, this is my Webull platform. This is what I use to trade options. And as you can see here, this thing is going without me because I am not in the trade. I sold into this push up here, as you guys saw, 937. I was selling for the break of the pre-market high, which was right here. And we actually had a beautiful retest of this level that you could have gotten in for the next leg higher. This is technical analysis. This is knowing your key levels. So where did I get these two levels from? And you can see here, we were 8 cents off of what I posted in the Discord, about 460 being that key level to watch. And when we saw price drop, like I said, with the opening range breakout, people want to get better prices. So they're going to wait. We got the drop to 460, a previous support level. And then in this one candle here, this is where you know that the trade, that was going to be very beneficial to take call options. This candle here, when you get a drop and then the very next candle totally engulfs the previous candle, that is very bullish. So that's it. We got into calls, 2 call options, nothing crazy. And then I sold the first one, and then I let the second one go a little bit longer for just a 10% win. If I would have kept holding it, it would have been way more than that. But I'm a scalp trader, I could always get back in, and that's just the way that I trade. But these levels are very key. So if we look at this one from the pre-market, right here, this was our pre-market high at 460.49. Call it 460.50. That was the area. You can see here for the first 5 minutes, 6 minutes, price could not break out of that. Once we see this, that's just a very bullish sign. And that was the time to get in. Discord got alerted. Everybody, that saw that took the trade and did well if you were able to take multiple contracts, because you could always take a few contracts and then sell one or two to lock in profit and let the last one just keep riding until the market pulls back too much, and that shakes you out. So that's it. Just a quick video here on what I look for pre-market, what we do in our Discord community. Pretty elementary type of trading, but trading options on the SPY is such a good way for, if you're a beginner trader or a trader that has a small account, it's such a good way to get involved in the market for very little capital. You don't need a lot of capital to take a couple of contracts with options. That's why options are so popular now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions at all, you could either join our Discord, direct access to me, or ask me down below in the comment section, and I answer every single comment. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for the video, and I'll see you guys back on the next one. Take care.